Hi friends, welcome to the answer writing masterclass where I will teach you how to write answers like UPSC toppers. Guys, my name is Santosh Pandey. I have cracked the UPSC prelims examination all 6 times and mains examination 4 times. You can see some of my mains scorecard here. You can see I have scored very high marks in my general studies paper and I have developed various answer writing templates which you can directly use in the exam. And today I'm going to share with you a unique answer writing template with the use of which I'm going to write this answer which has come in UPSC Mains Examination 2025 in General Studies Paper 3. So first what I will do is that I will read the question and then I will brainstorm the question and then I'm going to show you how you can use my answer writing templates in the examination to get very high scores. Let us read the question, guys. What does nanotechnology offer? How does nanotechnology offer significant advancement in the field of agriculture? That is the first part of the question. How can this technology help to uplift socio-economic status of farmers? So you can see, guys, question has two parts. The first part is how does nanotechnology offer significant advancement in the field of agriculture. So first part is nanotech and agriculture. This is the first part of the question. And second part of the question says how nanotech can help farmers socio eco status. Okay, this is the second part of the questions. Okay, so how can you write this answer which is logical? So one way of writing the answer which is the average way. What is the average way of writing? That we will give one line introduction and then what we will do, we will give a heading nanotech and agriculture. We will write 3-4 points and then nanotech and farmers, we will write 3-4 points. This is one way of writing which generally everyone will write the answer like this. Okay, I'll just show you how generally people will write. So they will write one line introduction, then they will give nanotech and agri. They'll write 1, 2, 3, 4 points maximum. Then they will write nanotech and farmers. They'll write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they'll write like this. This is not the right way of writing this answer. Why? Because you see there is a clear-cut relation between nanotech and agriculture and nanotech and farmers. So what we can do, we can link these 2 points together in a table format which I have done for you. You can see here how I have written this answer. Okay, so here we will write one line introduction. After writing one line introduction, we will see, okay, we will write this table. Okay, here nanotechnology dimension of agriculture, how it is applied in agriculture, I have explained, and then how it is benefiting farmers socio-economic condition. In one table only I have written this, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points I have written. How it is applied in agriculture I have written, and how it is benefiting farmers I have written. So you can see compared to the previous one, compared to the previous format, this format is better. Why? Because it is logically flowing. The two parts of the answer is logically flowing. For example, nanotechnology is useful for crop production. How nanotechnology is useful in crop production? Through nano fertilizers. You know, guys, nano fertilizers are more efficient in delivering nutrients to the plants, and since they are more efficient, they will reduce the cost of the farmer and they will improve the productivity of the farmer, leading to what? Increase in farmers' income. Second, guys, nanotechnology can be used in crop protection. You can see crop production, now crop protection. In crop protection, nano fungicides, nano pesticides, both are used for targeted attacking the pests. So they will reduce the chemical residue of the crops. So how does it help farmers in improving their socio-economic condition? By reducing their cost, by protecting their health. You know, guys, by using fertilizers, sometimes what happens? The health of the farmers also get degraded. So when we use nano fertilizers, since we are using less fertilizers, or we are using less pesticides, we are using less fungicides. So this will protect the health of the farmers and it is more environment friendly. Next guys, nanotechnology can be used for soil and crop monitoring through nanosensors. Nanosensors can help in monitoring the pH level of the soil, nutrient level of the soil, moisture level of the soil, and it can help in precision agriculture. How it is going to help farmers? It is going to improve climate resilience of farmers. You know guys, climate change is the biggest risk Indian farmers are facing. So using this nano sensors, we can improve the climate resilience in Indian agriculture. We can make the Indian agriculture climate resilient. We can reduce the risk of farming because of climate change for the small and marginal farmers. Next, nanotechnology can be used in post-harvest management through nano packaging. Nano packaging improves the shelf life. So how does it impact farmers? It will reduce the post-harvest cost. You know guys, post-harvest cost is around 15%. So incomes of farmers reduce because of the post-harvest loss. So by reducing the post-harvest loss, we are increasing the income of the farmers. Next, seed treatment. When we do nano coating of the seeds, there is high probability that seed will germinate. This will improve the productivity of farmers. And last but not the least, soil remediation. Nanotechnology can be used for soil remediation by for removing harmful chemicals from the soil, thus improves the sustainability of agriculture. Okay, you can see I have written very good conclusion. You can see nanotechnology has potential to improve agriculture by increasing crop productivity and better crop protection to meet the needs of the growing population. It can help in achieving the goal of doubling farmers' income and sustainable agriculture. You can see how beautifully we have written this answer, where we have written both. We have written both dimension of the question. You can see the question again. I'll show this question. You can see both dimension, how in one table format we have written. If you learn this technique, guys, I can tell you no one can stop you from becoming the next UPSC topper. If you learn this technique takes time to learn, but once you learn this technique, you will be unstoppable. Guys, daily I am teaching answer writing templates in my daily DPS classes. Daily DPS classes, I am discussing top 5 questions. Every day I am discussing top 5 predicted questions for the mains examination 2026. In 2025 mains examination, a lot of questions have directly come from my DPS classes. I will show some of the samples here. You can see some of the samples here. Guys, you can attend these classes just 1 hour in a day. If you give, I can help you score the highest marks in general studies. Guys, again you can see my scorecard. I have cracked the mains examination 4 times with very high scores. You can see my scorecards here. Guys, I have developed various answer writing templates. I have developed mains master notes and mains master cards. You can see some of the samples of mains master notes and mains master cards here. Like this, if you learn, if you prepare the syllabus, and if you write answers like this, no one can stop you from becoming the next UPSC topper. Guys, please do hit a like to the video and share this video with all your friends who are preparing for the UPSC mains examination next year. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Take care.